I'm leaving Tokyo and I'm gonna take the Shinkansen to Osaka. Good morning. I arrived in Osaka yesterday. I'm staying or couch surfing with Yuji and his mom. Right behind me is the Tenjinbashi Suchi, the longest shopping street in Japan, about 2.6 kilometers long and about 600 shops. As you can see, everything is inside, so even on a day like today where it's raining, you can still go out to Osaka and walk along the shopping street. It's gonna take about 40 minutes to walk through it, so it's a pretty long way. One of the weirdest things here in Japan is that, everything is so clean, like you don't see any trash on the floor, but you don't see no trash cans at all. I mean, public trash cans. So you end up carrying everything with you. At least that's what the locals do. But I asked a couple times why that is. So supposedly when the last Olympics were here, I think it was Nagano, there was a bomb put into a trash can and it exploded. So since then they put all the garbage cans away. So now you just end up carrying it around all the time. Okonomiyaki and takoyaki are two of the most famous foods here in Osaka. And this here is actually takoyaki. And that's how it is made. Made with a special pan, small balls of, I think it's some fish inside. Also something typical in Japan. You can just go in and pet. Famous picture here in Osaka. Dotonbori is the downtown district here in Osaka, where you find all the bars, the restaurants, nightlife. This fish is called fugu and is very poisonous. So there's still, due to the poison, there's still several people dying every year. So the restaurant that cooks it needs a special license to it. So of course, I'm about to try fugu.
How much is it?
1,200 yen.
It's not much.
It's not much to die, right?
Yeah.
Either I'm gonna die in 5 minutes or I'm not.
Don't worry.
Yeah, 5 minutes.
There's a lot of time. 5 minutes.
No CPR.
It's
How do you?
It's alright.
Yeah.
Chewy, right?
It's a bit chewy, yeah. Go ahead, please.
Thank you.
Is your tongue kind of tingly?
Not yet, but my knees are all shaking now. Eating fugu. Anybody else wants to try it? We all die together. Walking through an area called Shinsekai, which used to be an amusement park. The Eiffel Tower from Paris, not looking very much the same anymore. They took it down during the Second World War because they used the steel for war purposes. Hello Kitty parking.
I want to know how to do that.
What is this food?
Garden salad.
Garden salad.
Garden salad.
So we're eating some freshly organic made salad with some friends, Yuji and Tomo. construction for Osaka Castle started in 1593, but it was destroyed by 1615 by the Tokugawa troops. They then rebuilt it in 1620, but it was destroyed again because it was struck by lightning in 1665. So the castle as you see it now wasn't built until 1931, so that's almost 450 years later. Good morning. Now I'm actually heading to a cooking school, and Tomoko is gonna show me how to cook udon noodles.
And for one time, then keep stirring. And no water for next. Okay?
When the morning
We are in Mino Park,
Yes.
and we are on the way to the Mino waterfalls. So I tried fugu today,
And
but
I haven't
Haruka
tried.
has never tried fugu.
Well, I've been in Japan for like 22 years.
We are visiting the Mino waterfalls with my couchsurfing friend Haruka. So Haruka is showing me her university.
Yes, Osaka University.
Osaka University.